Hi everyone. Today we will be talking about some auto EDA packages, that is exploratory data analysis in Python. So basically, when you go for any data science project, you're trying to build any machine learning pipeline. The first step that you do is EDA. That is, you explore the data, you try to know about it, plot some graph to get a basic understanding of the data. Now, this is a cumbersome task and a repetitive task. Like you would be plotting the mean, median, mode, plotting some graphs, knowing about the data set, and all that stuff. So, to reduce this effort, there are certain packages in Python that can help you automating this thing as well. So, I will be talking about a series of packages starting with Pandas profiling, SweetWiz, Jupyter summary tools, and data prep. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to pip install all these four packages. There are many others also, but in this particular tutorial, I'm focusing on all these four. SweetWiz, Jupyter summary tools, Y data profiling, and data prep. Now, using them is very easy. I think mostly all of them provide a single function. You feed in your data, and eventually you get an HTML file or the entire analysis within the output console. So first of all, we would be starting with Y data profiling. So from Y data profiling, you need to import profile report, load your data frame. I'm loading Titanic for now, and then call the function profile report and pass the data frame. That's it. Now once you've got the profile, either you can print it here to get the entire graphs, or you can save it into an HTML file. In my case, I have saved in an HTML file, as you can see, and here you can see that I have already ran it because it takes some time. But these are the following steps that the package is doing: summarizing, generating the report, rendering HTML, and export as file. Now, if you look into the report generated, it is quite interesting, quite detailed. You can see that what are total number of variables, total columns, total rows, what are numeric features, categorical features, duplicate rows, plots for different features that are present in the data set. So here you can see that for survived, this is highly correlated. You are getting plots here. For text data set, you are getting a word cloud, as you can see. So it's very interesting, as you can see that, and helps you to get away with the first baseline EDA. Apart from that, you can check a number of things here also. Some correlation plots, some scattered plots you can see. This is a heat map that it has generated for you to calculate correlation. Missing values plot is there. So it's pretty interesting, quite detailed, and as you can see that it reduces a lot of effort for you if you're going for first time EDA for your data set. There are certain alerts also telling you that some columns have high correlation. Sex has very is highly correlated. Survived is highly correlated sex, so it's alternate only. Age is missing values. So all this information getting generated within minutes, and you are doing nothing. So that's a great tool. Now moving on to the next tool, that is SweetWiz. So it is also very similar. You need to call your data frame, call this function sv.analyze, pass it the df, and then save as HTML file. So you can see that this is also quite good. The UI changes a bit, but I think almost it is also providing you the same information. So here you can see that there's a correlation plot coming out here. If you close it, you won't get it. You can highlight over a particular column. You can check out what is the correlation of this particular column with other columns. So this is also quite interesting, quite useful. Here you can see that certain highlights are present to draw your attention that this particular column has more missing values. See, so even Sweeters is pretty good, pretty detailed. Going to data prep. So data prep, again, it's the same format everyone is following. You need to call a single function, create report, and the report gets created, and then saving the report with the name data prep. So if you look at the data prep report, this is also very similar to pandas profiling, only talking about the missing values, talking about some insights from the data frame that you have fed in. As you can see, what are the unique values, all anything suspicious has been highlighted with red. So like for example, what is the unique percentage of name is 100%. So it is mostly a useless column for any model, so that is it is getting highlighted. Here you can see that age has 177 missing values that has been highlighted. Plots are coming out. So pretty good with going with baseline implementations of EDA. Is This is very nice. Now going with the last tool, that is summary tools. So this also you can see that it is providing you with a collapsible sheet within the output console. As you can see, mean, median, mode. It is also giving you quartile ranges, distinct values, graphs, and plots. What are some example values present in this? It is also showing that it is going a value counts for the different values present. So this is also quite interesting. So this is how using different packages you can have a baseline eda get automated using these packages. I hope this tutorial was useful, and eventually you try out one of these tools. I think I prefer y data profiling, but I think eventually all the four tools are quite interesting and can be used.